What's up, you guys? This is Dylan Stokes coming from Blips and Clips. We're just going to go over a quick tutorial video today. If you've been flying in the DRL SIM and your controller is not recognizing itself inside the DRL SIM, we have the quick fix for you. Shout out to Manny himself. Shout out to Rocker Guy for figuring this one out. Thank you guys. I'm going to tag you guys below. And yeah, let's get this fixed real fast. So if you've been without, like, I like to keep these videos quick, right and to the point. I don't like to waste a lot of time, so let's get started. So you're gonna take your controller, you're gonna turn it on, and you're gonna plug it in.
Switch warning.
Press all the buttons so it thinks it's connected. You'll get that nice sounding noise. And then what you're gonna do, I'm not gonna show you right now, but like if you click on the DRL SIM, you'll go in and it looks like your controller's, you know, you got the noise, but you go in the DRL SIM and it's not working. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to our PC shortcut button down here. I hope you guys can see. I'm actually gonna close out of this. I'm gonna minimize this OBS. Close that. We're gonna minimize that. We're gonna go. Actually, you can just go in the search bar, type in Device Manager. We're gonna double click on that. We're gonna go into this beautiful menu over here. And you're going to scroll down to where you see keyboards, and just under the word keyboards you should see LIBUSB. It should be connected. So basically this is your controller right here. This is what the computer is sensing as your controller. And without getting too complicated, basically what you're going to do is you're just going to right click. You're going to go to uninstall. Make sure you check this box. Make sure you check the box. And you're going to hit uninstall. And basically what that's going to do is going to wipe whatever firmware. There's some kind of firmware update issue with the game. So then what you're going to do is you're going to unplug your controller, right? We're going to fire up the game. And I'm going to cut real fast just so we can go to the game. Alright guys, so we're back. And if you look down in the bottom left corner over here, you're probably going to see this where it says no hardware. Earlier, if you had it plugged in, you'll know if it's not working because you'll plug your controller in earlier and it's gonna say no hardware. So we went ahead, we went into control device manager and we deleted that, uninstalled that thing, and now we're gonna plug it back in and we should get fucking nothing. Oh, don't forget to hit the button on the side here. There we go. And maybe do a quick calibration or something real quick again if things don't feel right. But, dude, that's about it. Thank you guys for stopping by. I'm Dylan Stokes with Blips and Clips. Shout out to Manny himself. Shout out to Rocker Guy. Shout out to everybody out there who's just been racing and been supporting the channel. And, man, we fucking love you guys. So thank you guys so much. And that's today's video. We'll see you on the next one.